Hey guys, guess what? Well, I guess it's actually gonna be something super exciting. Anyway, I am not doing Animal Jam anymore. That's the sad part. Here's the good part. I'm giving away everything on my account. Woo. Anyways, la 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 la. I am giving away everything on my account. And there will be 4 winners to this giveaway. 2 people will get all of my clothing, and 2 people will get my den items. So, and then so that's what's gonna happen. Anyways, what you got to do to win this giveaway is your username, member or non-member, and you must subscribe. Anyways, and your reason. Okay? Anyways, I hope you like this giveaway, and don't forget to tell it to your friends and everyone that plays Animal Jam so they can have a chance too. Because the more people that comment, the bigger the chance you'll get, because then I will kind of add in a few other things. Like like, if there's more people that comment, I will make a video, and it's going to be for non-members. The thing, if there's a lot of people, I will buy something for the non-members. One thing, and then, any color that they want. So, yeah. Nothing huge or anything, but still. Anyways. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And on the Wonderloom video that I just uploaded like 2 minutes ago, I know that was like a face cam down in the bottom, and I didn't realize that's what happened until I uploaded the video and watched it. But then I tried to make another one on the fishtail, and I realized I can't just make the whole screen like that. So, the Wonderloom series will be delayed for a little bit. Okay? So if you've already seen that or anything, it'll be delayed. I'm sorry, but it just will be. But anyway, the deadline for this giveaway is Saturday. No, not Saturday. Thursday, because I don't like to keep giveaways long. So that way there's not like a ton of people. By the way, if I have not accepted your friend request on Animal Jam, because now my buddy list is full. I got on one day, and my buddy list was just full. So I can accept one more person. Who will that be? The first friend request I run over. Unicorn Bella, You're my last friend. It might let me accept a few more out now. Nope. Sorry. But my bedroom this is full now. Anyway, bye.